So I have this image of a model over here, but she is wearing a green dress on a green background. And the contrast doesn't look really good. I will press I to select the color picker and click on any green part in the image. So I will click over here. I will then go to layers and create a new layer over here. Select the brush tool and simply draw with it over here. Now we will basically invert this color by pressing Ctrl or Command I. So the opposite of green in the color wheel is purple. We can now delete this layer and let's create a selection of the model's dress. So I will select the quick selection tool over here and I will start selecting the model's dress. Now I will go to layers and create a hue and saturation adjustment layer over here. So let's change the hue to something close to purple because it is opposite to green. So as you can see that the contrast in the image is way better now because we are using complementary colors. So this is how you can match colors in Photoshop. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.